我哋睇下呢條啦。Mr. Chen, a sole trader, purchased a specialized machine for the business and paid the purchase invoice by a personal check。Mr. Chen 呢，為一個獨資經營嘅企業呢，買入一部專門嘅機器啦，並以佢私人支票呢繳付呢個購貨嘅發票。The machine was listed on the statement of financial position at its original cost of 3 million, although it could only be recognized for 800,000 if the business was discontinued。咁呢個機器呢，就按佢嘅原先成本呢300萬呢，就記入咗去資產負債表啦。如果公司係唔繼續經營呢，佢只可以賣得80萬嘅啫。Which of foreign accounting concept is not applicable to the above situations？ 下列邊一個會計概念呢係不適用於上述情況呢？即係邊個唔會用嘅呢？咁好明顯啦，第一佢用咗私人嘅支票去繳付佢公司購買機器，咁會應用落去呢就係一個 business entity concept 啦，咁呢個會應用嘅。咁另外啦，佢就如果佢冇繼續經營呢，佢就用佢個 historical cost 嚟記錄個資產嘛，所以應用咗 historical cost 同埋個 going concern concept 啦。唯獨是呢就冇用到 accrual 嘅，因為呢度就唔適合用 accrual 噶啦，所以最後呢就係A 啦 ，accrual 呢個 concept 就冇用到喺呢個情況嘅，因為佢唔係話嗰啲 revenue 或者 expensive 係一個 prepay 同埋 accrual 嘅情況啊嘛，所以 A 啦，最後答案。